Video 558. Okay, we're going to take a classic file, which is a 512 by 512 image. We're going to load it into the game, and then we're going to resave it in our new format. Then we're going to take this format, load it into the game, and then resave and see if we still get the same thing. And we don't! Looks like we're only copying 8 out of those 16 cat chunks. Now, we're not going to fix it in this video. We're just going to go over what we did in video 558. So let's go over the 558 deltas. So in Genblit, in the copying function here, where we copy from this pixel array to this pixel array, and both of them have this width and height in pixels, well, we finished it. So copy over all of the bytes. We're going to iterate over every single byte. So this is the number of bytes in the image, which is width times height times 4. 4 because RGBA, right? 4 bytes per pixel. We're going to iterate through every single byte and copy over from the source image to the destination image. It's that simple. It's not much code. Okay, down here in FILE896, within the chunk copying section, within the disk to GPU chunk copying section, we didn't actually change anything. We just got rid of this error message because this function is fucking done. Okay, down here in Fiopunk, in the async bullshit section within the winLoad PNG of any size, and we're 2 callbacks deep. So we're at the terminal callback of loading a PNG of any size. If we go down here into the copy data into game section, we turned this from a yell into a message because we don't really care about it too much, so it's hidden in the logs. And if we scroll down here, we're releasing the spin lock. And actually, this spin lock was already released, so it's just an assert, because if we go up here, we can see we actually removed the spin lock right here. And that's all we did in this video. So here's what we did. Actually, here's what we did in this video. So, like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. If you want a longer explanation, go here. You are here. If you just want source code, sorry, not source code, technical demos. If you just want technical demos, go here. These are the source code reviews, and source code is here. You can email me here. Like and subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic IV MMO, a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman MMO. The bombs are a lot like GoldenEye bombs. So they're not like Zelda bombs or Bomberman bombs. They are proximity mines on timers. When you walk past a proximity mine, the timer will be set and will count down. Once it counts down to 0, it'll explode, and then chain reacts in vertical, horizontal, and 4-way explosions. Like and subscribe if you're interested in seeing how you make a game from completely scratch and write a rendering engine.